Want to make money online with zero experience and no camera? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create AI-generated videos from scratch and turn them into passive income streams. We'll use one powerful AI video tool called Pictory that creates professional videos from text automatically. No filming or editing skills needed. Video content is king online, but creating videos takes a lot of time and effort. AI tools let you automate this process and produce engaging videos fast, perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. First, pick a niche that has demand. It can be passive income, technology, health tips, or quick hacks. To find ideas, check trending topics on YouTube Shorts, Google Trends, Reddit, or simply ask ChatGPT for suggestions. Next, use ChatGPT to write a short, clear, and catchy video script. For example, 5 ways to make passive income online, or top 3 AI tools to make money in 2025. Keep your script simple and concise. Around 150 words for a shorts video. Now, paste your script into Pictory. The tool will automatically select relevant B-roll, animations, and text effects. You can choose an AI voiceover or upload your own audio if you prefer. Once your video is ready, publish it as a YouTube short, TikTok video, or Instagram reel. There are several ways to monetize your videos. Join the YouTube Partner Program or benefit from the YouTube Shorts Fund. Add affiliate links in your video description to earn commissions. Promote your own digital products like ebooks or courses. Use relevant keywords, detailed descriptions, and hashtags to attract viewers. If you want more daily AI money-making ideas, hit the subscribe button now. Leave a comment below telling me what topics you want me to cover next. This method works for beginners with zero technical skills. Start creating and earning today.